you how to play the song Please Release Me, sung by Englebert Humperdinck. If you want the letter notes for that song, go to LetterNotePlayer.com. I have them there for you. Let's start with the introduction. We start off in the key of F, and then at the end it moves into the key of F sharp. It goes up a half step. We start off in the key of F, and your left hand is going to go F, C chord, E and G, F, C, and that's going to be a C7. Your C7 is C, E, G, B flat, which of course is the 5 chord that leads right back to the F chord there. So we're starting off with an F, open 5th, C, F, and we'll have the 3rd right up here, the A in the melody. So there's your introduction, and in the right hand you're just going to play A, B flat, A, C, E, G, F, and that leads us right into the melody C, B, B flat, A, C, B flat, D, and then we have some fills. Now I just have it written D, E, F, but you can put a little bit of a country turn in there, D, E, and just make sure you articulate each note. Then you go back down to the melody D, E, D, C, B flat, C, A, and here's the riff there as an interlude fill, and you go with C, F, G, C, and if you want to put that little F, G, C, and then we come back down to the C, B, B flat, A, C, B flat, D, and then we have the same turn, only this time it's different. D, E, F, and if you want to put that in there, and then we're on that note, already a melody note, D, C, A, B flat, A, C, E, G, F, and then here's some fill, C, F, A, C, B flat, and you can play. And then we do that same melody again. Now here the melody changes just slightly. We'll put a little grace note in here, a little crushed grace note. D, C, B flat, C, A. And we hit that while we have a 7th chord down here. And all I'll play is the C, the E, and the B flat. Okay, so let's put the hands together there. You've got enough of the melody and you've got enough of the changeovers, so let's put the hands together right after the introduction. I'll start with the introduction so we get into it. Now when we start that melody, we're going to go back to F. And this time we're going to go F, C, F, C, B flat. So we're going to play the B flat with the D, and then we'll hit the D and the F right there with the fill. Back down to the melody, and we go to a C here. C, E, and G. Back to the F. And then we've got the 7th. So we got the C, E, B flat will give us that 7th sound. So your left hand is going to be F, C, F, C, B flat, D and F, B flat, D and F. Your B flat chord is black, white, white, B flat, D and F. Then we're going to a C chord, all white notes, C, E and G, back to the F, C, E and B flat. Now maybe you've noticed by now that we've really only got 3 chords for this song until we change keys, but we've got the F chord, B flat chord, and the C chord. And occasionally we'll add a 7th in there. So let's put those hands together and we've got it. Here's the fill. Back down to the melody. Now here you wait for the D and the F until you've already started. Into the second verse. Here's that crush. And then we come back to the melody. This time you just play the C and the E and the G because we're going to have in that fill, we're going to have the 7th right there. So we've got the 7th, but the 7th is up here in the melody. And then the first verse reprise, we come back, and that's where they have vocals come in. You've got a chorus backing him up. So I represent that with 2 notes. I'll just play the F down here, but the A and the C will be. And I won't keep that up. I'll just put the harmony in there for one note there. And then we go back to the melody, 1 note at a time. We do this twice. So we'll do that twice. Okay, and you can set your tempo there, or you can set your rhythm the way you want it. Now here we're going to do the modulation. All we're going to do is go chromatically to F sharp. F, C, F sharp, but we're going to hit a 7th chord right there because we're leading into the key of B actually. So we'll go through the F sharp chromatically, F sharp 7 to lead to a B chord. But the melody starts off on that F sharp. Remember that melody starts off on the 5th of the chord. So if we go B, we're right on that F sharp. So to get into it, we'll play this. So what you're playing in the right hand is F, C, F, A, F sharp and A sharp. And then we go right to the F sharp. Now let's give you the melody for that. F sharp, F, E, D sharp, F sharp, E, G sharp. No fill on this one. C sharp, A sharp, G sharp, F sharp, E, F sharp, D sharp, and then we kind of turn. So back and forth with C sharp, D sharp, and we end up on C sharp, and then we go down octave F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, F, E, D sharp, F sharp, E, G sharp, no fill. Then we go G up the octave, G sharp, F sharp, D sharp, D sharp, D sharp, F sharp, A, C sharp, B, and then for the tag, F sharp, B and G sharp, hit it 2 more times, and then hit this chord, the B chord, B, D sharp, F sharp. Now remember, B flat was black, white, white, so B is going to be white, black, black, B, D sharp, F sharp. Now I have the letter notes written like this. But I actually like to play it like this. I like to play, hold it, and then just hit the chord so that you really never let go of the melody. I like to hold it right there and then just hit that and give that high B to come through right there. So let me see if I can, let me give you the left hand there. During the F sharp tag, we got B, D sharp, F sharp, B, D and F sharp, E, B and E, F sharp, C sharp and E, F sharp 7, F sharp, C sharp and E, B sharp, B, D and F sharp, F sharp, 7, C sharp and E. Then we go back to the B. Same thing that we played before. B and E, B, D sharp and F sharp, C sharp and E, the 7th sound, B and D sharp. Then when we get to, so we hit the E, B, and then chord right here, B chord. The melody is actually going G sharp, F sharp, but we'll fill the whole chord. So, and we've actually got the whole chord on that E too, because we've got E, B, G sharp, it's all spread out. And then just pop that D sharp, F sharp, B to end it. Now I'll play it for you with the modulation. Switch keys in your mind. Hold it back a little bit there and then. There's your B chord coming. So it's free there. You can free form that. However you feel good about it. What I like to do is play the D and then the D and the D sharp, F sharp, and then just roll that through. And hit the C sharp, synchronize with the F sharp. Play the C sharp and E for the 7th, and then the octave. Hit the octave. Hold the B, the G sharp, up the octave, back to the B, F sharp 7, C sharp and E sharp, or C sharp and E. Now, you're going to the F sharp, and then to the B and the G sharp. So you've got F sharp, hold it, and then pop that. Now if you want to put the full arpeggio, it would sound like this. So there's nothing wrong with that. I just like to hold it and then pop that right there. So I like to hold that and pop that. I just think it sounds a little better to me. There you have it. Please Release Me by Englebert Humperdinck. I hope you enjoy playing it.